of class 10 of SK Foundation School. I am your geography teacher and today we will start a new chapter, Map of India. Now students, what are maps? How do maps help us? And why maps are useful for us? Well, the answer is, map is a representation of the earth on a flat surface. It is a diagrammatic representation of an area of land or sea. Okay, and how do maps help us? So, map help us by showing physical features, climatic conditions, natural vegetation, soils, etc. Okay, we use different symbols like lines, waves, dots and different colors to show different features such as rivers, roads, cities or mountains. Okay, and why maps are useful for us? Maps are useful for us because all these symbols help us to visualize what thing on the ground actually look like, and it also helps us to know distances so that we know how far away one thing is from another. So, in this chapter, we will be doing map pointing. See, you have an outline map of India at the back of your book. See, there are 4 maps provided to you. Each map is for each question. Okay, so let's start doing map pointing. See, question number 1. Mark and label the following on an outline map of India provided to you. Okay. Question number 8. Mark and name the Vindhya range. See, in page number 5, you will see Vindhya range here. Okay, this one is Vindhya range. Vindhya range is also known as Vindhyachal. Okay, it is a discontinuous chain of mountain ridges and it is in west central India. Next, mark and label the Kanchenjunga peak. So, Kanchenjunga peak is here. It is the 3rd highest peak in the world. It rises with an elevation of 8,586 meters in a section of Himalayas. Okay. Next, mark and name the Eastern Ghats. See, Eastern Ghats is here. It runs from Odisha through Tamil Nadu. It runs from Odisha to Andhra Pradesh to Tamil Nadu. Next, mark and name the Kosi river. Okay, Kosi river is here. It is a trans-boundary river which flows through Tibet, Nepal and India. Next, shade and name the Gulf of Mannar. Okay, Gulf of Mannar is here. It lies between the west coast of Sri Lanka and the southern tip of India. In between these two, it is a large shallow bay. Next, shade and label a region of lateral soil. Now, lateral soil can be found on summits of western and eastern Ghats. Here in the eastern Ghats, summits on the eastern Ghats. Okay, it is suitable for growing plantation crops like tea, coffee, coconut, rubber, etc. Mark and name the oldest oil field of India. Now, oldest oil field of India is Digboi. See here, Digboi. Okay. Digboi is also known as the oil city of Assam because the first oil well in India was drilled here. Next, Mark with an arrow and name the wind which brings rain to the Coromandel coast in winter. That is northeast western wind, monsoon winds. Next, mark and name Kochi. Kochi is in Kerala. Kochi is in the state of Kerala. It is popularly known as the Queen of Arabian Sea because Kochi flaunts one of the finest natural harbors of the world. And the last one is shade and name the state with the highest density of population in India. Well, that is Delhi. We all know that Delhi is the capital of India. And why it is densely populated? Delhi is the capital of India as well as the densely populated state. Now, next question. On an outline map of India provided, now mark. Question number A. Mark and name the Aravalli range. Now see here. In the northwestern India, starting near Delhi, passing through southern Haryana and Rajasthan and ending in Gujarat. This is the Aravalli range. Next, shade a region covered with a soil which has self-plugging property. Well, black soil is a soil having self-plugging property. It is suitable for the cultivation of cotton. In India, it is suitable for cotton cultivation because of their clay nature. Well, black soil is found here. In the district of Maharashtra. Next, mark and name the Godavari river. Well, Godavari river is here. Next, mark and name the Nathula Pass. Okay. It is a pass in the Himalayas in East Sikkim district. Next, mark and name the winds which bring rain to West Bengal in July and August. That is southwest monsoon wind. Southwest monsoon wind. Shade and name the Coromandel coast. Here, this one is the Coromandel coast. On the southernest of India. Mark and name Srinagar. Srinagar. It is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Mark and name the latitude that divides India into two climatic zones. Well, the Tropic of Cancer divides India into two halves. Mark and name the largest coalfield in India. Jharia is the largest coalfield in India. See Jharia. Okay, it is located in the east of India in the state of Jharkhand. Shade and name a region which is sparsely populated. Well, the Himalayas. This region is a sparsely populated region because due to the cold weather and less fertile land, it is least populated area. Okay, next. On the outline map of India provided, questions are: mark and name the most important latitude of India. Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees north. Because why it is important? Because it divides our country, that is India, in almost two equal parts, which affects the climate of our country. Next, mark and name the narrow stretch of water that separates India from Sri Lanka. That is Park Strait. Okay. It is a strait in the Bay of Bengal between southeastern India and North Sri Lanka. Next, Shade and name the Coromandel Coast. Okay, it is in the southeastern region of India. Okay, Coromandel Coast, it is in the southeastern region of India. See. Next, mark and name river Yamuna. Well, Yamuna is the largest tributary in India. It is the second largest tributary of Ganga and the longest tributary in India lies here. Yamuna river. Next, mark and name the Western Ghats. Okay, Western Ghats lies here. The Ghats cover the state of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Next, shade and name the Chotanagpur Plateau. The Chotanagpur Plateau covers much of Jharkhand state. It is a plateau in eastern India. Chotanagpur Plateau is also known as storehouse of minerals. Next, mark with arrows and name the winds that brings rains India from June to September. That is southwest monsoon winds. Next, a region where red soil is found in India. Well, red soil is found in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. But here we will mark only one region, that is Kerala. Okay. Next, an important port city on the west coast of India. Well, Mumbai is the port on the west coast of India. Next, print C over the largest coalfield in India and name it. Again, Jharia. This is the region of Jharia. The last question. Question number 4. On the outline map of India provided, mark and name the following features. Question number 1A. Mark and name the range where the eastern and western Ghats meet. Well, Nilgiri. Nilgiri is the range where the eastern and western Ghats merge. Next, shade and name the Konkan coastal plains. The Konkan coastal plains. Here, it covers the coastal plains of Maharashtra and Goa. Next, mark and name the Brahmaputra river. Okay, Brahmaputra river is the 9th largest and 15th longest river in the world, and it is a trans-boundary river in Assam. This is the Brahmaputra river. It is a trans-boundary river in Assam which flows through Tibet, India and Bangladesh. Next, shade and name the Gulf of Kutch. Okay, Gulf of Kutch is here. It is the inlet of the Arabian Sea along the west coast of India in the state of Gujarat. Next, mark and name the longitude that divides India into two equal halves. Indian Standard Time is the longitude that divides India into two halves. Next, mark with an arrow and name the winds which bring rainfall to Mumbai from June to September, that is southwest monsoon wind. Next, shade and print RED red over a region where red soil is found. We have marked red soil region in Kerala. Now here we will mark in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Orissa. From here, this is the region where red soil can be found. And red soil is suitable for cotton, wheat, rice, pulses, tobacco, etc. Next, mark with a dot and name Bangalore. Well, Bangalore is also known as Bangalore. It is the capital of Karnataka. It is famous for its gardens, religious sites, architecture, etc. Next, mark and name an offshore oil field. Mumbai High is an offshore oil field. It is located in the Arabian Sea. Last, shade a region in North India that is sparsely populated. Well, Arunachal Pradesh is a region which is sparsely populated due to harsh living condition because most of the state is covered by dense forest. So students, I hope you have understood this map pointing. Okay, these solutions have been uploaded in the website. Do it in your book. The maps have been provided to you. So do it in your book. And if you have any problem, then you can contact the school.